Welcome back to the channel. If you're a tool fan, you're in for a treat. Today we're showcasing some of the most insane Amazon gadgets that you never knew you needed. These mind-blowing tools combine cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality, making them must-haves for any enthusiast. Whether you're a DIY pro or just love discovering new gadgets, we've got something that'll surprise you. Sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by these incredible innovations that will completely change the way you work and create.
Search for the perfect outdoor companion with the BIOLITE ALPENGLOW 500 lantern. This compact lantern delivers up to 500 lumens of brightness, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. It features a built-in dimming function, allowing you to adjust the light to suit your needs. The ALPENGLOW also doubles as a power bank, with a micro USB port for charging smartphones or other devices. Its multicolor modes provide both cool and warm lighting options, adding a touch of ambience to your setting. Powered by a rechargeable battery and designed to withstand the elements, it's lightweight, portable, and perfect for any outdoor adventure. Whether you need bright light or a relaxing glow, the ALPENGLOW 500 offers versatility and durability in one package. Looking for a quick and portable solution to inflate tires? The ROIDMI portable tire inflator delivers convenience and power. Capable of generating up to 150 psi, it efficiently inflates car, motorcycle, and bicycle tires. The inflator comes with a digital display, allowing you to set the desired pressure and automatically shutting off once reached. Equipped with LED lights, it helps you operate in dim conditions, perfect for emergencies. Its rechargeable battery ensures you can use it without needing a power source, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Small, lightweight, and easy to store in your vehicle. The ROIDMI tire inflator is a must-have tool for road trips, daily commutes, and outdoor activities. If you're looking for an innovative timepiece, the URWERK UR112 aggregate stands apart with its bold, mechanical design. This unique watch features a titanium case and a complex satellite-based time display system. Cylindrical satellites rotate to show the hours, while a retrograde indicator tracks the minutes. With its 46mm case, this watch is both substantial and futuristic, appealing to collectors and horology enthusiasts. Powered by an intricate mechanical movement, the UR112 showcases URWERK's mastery of advanced watchmaking. Designed to push the boundaries of traditional timepieces, it's a stunning blend of high-end craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. The CUBIIO is a compact, portable laser engraver designed for precision and ease of use. Developed by the Taiwanese company MULTITOOL, this device is small enough to fit in your palm yet powerful enough to engrave various materials such as wood, leather, paper, fabric, and acrylic. CUBIIO connects to smartphones or computers via Bluetooth, allowing for seamless control of the engraving process. It uses a laser beam to etch designs, patterns, or text onto surfaces, and supports grayscale engraving for detailed and intricate designs. Its portability and user-friendly operation make it an ideal choice for personalizing items and creating custom engravings on the go. Whether you're an artist, craftsperson, or hobbyist, the CUBIIO provides a versatile and precise tool for your creative needs. The LOCKIN Smart Safe Box L1 provides secure storage for keys, credit cards, and other valuables. Controlled remotely via the TUYA app, it allows users to set a password and create temporary access codes. This robust safe is designed to be IPX5 waterproof, protecting contents from moisture. It features a strong build that resists forced entry, enhancing security. The LOCKIN Smart Safe records all unlocking attempts, alerting you to any unauthorized access attempts. Its ease of setup and reliable protection make it an excellent choice for safeguarding personal belongings, ensuring that your keys, credit cards, or valuable jewelry remain secure and accessible only to you. The GINGKO Smart Accordion lamp combines modern design with advanced technology to create a unique lighting solution. Inspired by the fan-shaped leaves of the GINGKO biloba tree, this lamp features an accordion-style folding design that allows you to adjust its shape and lighting patterns. Its smart functionality includes wireless control through a mobile app or remote, enabling you to adjust brightness, color temperature, and lighting modes to suit your needs. The GINGKO Smart Accordion lamp offers both aesthetic appeal and versatile lighting options, making it a stylish addition to any home or office. Its blend of innovative design and smart features makes it a standout choice for those seeking both form and function in their lighting solutions. The TICKTIME Cube is a revolutionary time management tool designed to enhance productivity and maintain focus. Its physical design incorporates tactile and visual elements that help users adhere to structured time intervals, making it easier to focus on individual tasks. Users simply set the desired time interval and adjust the volume to their preference. When the time is up, flashing numbers on the device alert you, ensuring that you remain on track. The TICKTIME cube can be easily attached to any metal surface for added convenience, eliminating the need to rely on your phone's timer. Its straightforward operation and clear visual cues make it an excellent tool for improving work-life balance and keeping distractions at bay. The third thumb is an innovative project developed by designer Danny Claude that explores human augmentation through a robotic limb. This prosthetic device, designed to be worn on the hand opposite the natural thumb, is controlled by pressure sensors placed on the wearer's feet. The robotic thumb offers enhanced dexterity and the ability to grasp objects, effectively extending the user's capabilities. By challenging conventional ideas of body function and interaction, the third thumb aims to expand our understanding of human potential. This project pushes the boundaries of human-computer interaction and opens new possibilities for how technology can augment and enhance the human body. The CLOCKY alarm clock is engineered to wake even the heaviest sleepers with its unique and interactive design. When the alarm sounds, CLOCKY rolls off the bedside table and moves around the room, requiring you to physically get out of bed to turn it off. Equipped with wheels and a sturdy plastic casing, CLOCKY is built to withstand falls and rough handling. It emits a loud alarm and follows a randomized path, making it challenging to catch. This dynamic approach ensures that you stay alert and motivated to start your day, making it a practical choice for those who struggle with traditional alarm clocks. The ZIMMO FREEFOOT is a wearable foot massager designed to provide spa-like comfort at home. Ideal for relaxing after a long day, it features 43 massage balls, with 36 dedicated to the soles of your feet, offering an invigorating massage experience. Airbags envelop your feet, delivering therapeutic compression to soothe tired muscles. Users can select from 4 massage modes, adjust the intensity, and activate the heat mode for enhanced relaxation. ZIMMO FREEFOOT combines innovative technology with personal care, making it a perfect addition to your wellness routine. Founded by tech entrepreneurs, ZIMMO focuses on developing cutting-edge wearable devices that enhance personal health and comfort. The HUAMI AMAZFIT X is a sleek smartwatch designed to elevate your fitness and health tracking. It offers comprehensive features including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, step counting, and built-in GPS for accurate outdoor activity tracking. With a stylish design, the watch provides customizable watch faces and straps to match your style. It operates on AMAZFIT OS, compatible with both Android and iOS, and connects via Bluetooth to manage notifications, music playback, and other smartwatch functions. Known for its water resistance and long battery life, the AMAZFIT X ensures that you stay connected and on top of your fitness goals throughout the day.
Looking for a microwave that works anywhere? The Makita MW001GZ microwave oven runs on Makita's 40-volt Max XGT batteries, delivering portable convenience with 2 power modes of 350 or 500 watts. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and work sites, it heats meals for up to 48 minutes on a single charge. At only 9 kilograms, it is compact and easy to carry, complete with a sturdy handle for portability. Perfect for job sites, picnics, or emergencies, this microwave redefines mobile cooking. While the price of $847, excluding the battery, might seem steep, its reliability and versatility make it an invaluable tool for those on the move. The Makita CM501D coffee maker is the ultimate solution for on-the-go coffee enthusiasts. It utilizes Makita's battery system to brew a fresh cup of coffee in just 7 minutes, making it ideal for work sites or outdoor activities. On a single charge, it produces up to 5 cups, ensuring enough for the entire team. Its compact design includes a carrying handle for portability, a measuring spoon, and a cup, simplifying coffee preparation anywhere. The durable build complements Makita's reputation for quality tools, and its battery-powered functionality eliminates the need for cords or outlets. Priced at $135 without the battery, it's an excellent addition to any Makita user's collection. Need footwear tough enough for construction sites? Milwaukee's work boots and sneakers are crafted for durability, featuring water and dust resistance to withstand harsh conditions. An innovative step-release heel design makes them easy to remove, adding convenience to your busy day. Built for long-lasting comfort, they offer superior support and traction for safety on uneven surfaces. Ideal for professional settings, these shoes combine rugged construction with a modern aesthetic. Whether you are on site or transitioning to casual settings, Milwaukee footwear ensures protection and style. Pricing details are yet to be disclosed, but the quality speaks for itself. Searching for a grill brush that leaves no residue behind? The Scrub Daddy BBQ Grill Brush is a game-changer for tackling tough grill grime. Equipped with flexible stainless steel fibers, it removes stubborn residue without using potentially hazardous wire bristles. Activated by water, the steam-powered cleaning mechanism dissolves months of buildup effortlessly. Scrub Daddy's unique flex texture foam core adapts for optimal cleaning, while a built-in scraper reaches between grates for thorough results. With a detachable, washable scouring head, it ensures long-lasting performance across multiple grilling seasons. This tool makes maintaining a clean grill effortless and safe for every barbecue enthusiast. The METMO grip is a unique fusion of functionality and tactile satisfaction, designed to serve as both a versatile tool and an engaging fidget accessory. Paying homage to early 20th century wrench designs, it combines modern materials like solid stainless steel and anodized aluminum for superior durability and precision. Its sliding jaws provide a secure grip for practical tasks, while the smooth locking mechanism delivers immense satisfaction during use. Whether it's tackling daily repairs or offering stress relief at your desk, the METMO grip excels in both form and function. Perfect for tool enthusiasts or fidgeters, it's a durable and stylish addition to any workspace. The Lever Gear Edge XT is the ultimate multi-tool, combining versatility with everyday convenience. Its retractable utility blade is complemented by 10 essential functions, making it a revolutionary addition to your EDC kit. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits on keychains or in your pocket, ensuring it is always ready when needed. Designed for one-handed operation, it features a safety lock switch and a quick release mechanism for seamless and secure use. Crafted from durable metal with a stylish satin finish, it offers long-lasting performance and aesthetic appeal. Praised by EDC enthusiasts, the Edge XT is the perfect balance of functionality, durability, and portability. The HENGDUAN EVO REPEL is your all-in-one outdoor solution, combining protection, convenience, and functionality. This 3-in-1 device acts as a mosquito repeller, lantern, and power bank, making it perfect for camping, BBQs, or fishing trips. Its 14,400 mAh built-in battery powers devices and offers extended use. Quick heating technology ensures effective mosquito repellent, while adjustable lighting modes provide versatile illumination. Built with premium materials, it is waterproof and features a magnetic bottom and versatile handle for easy placement. Durable and reliable, the EVO REPEL enhances outdoor adventures by keeping mosquitoes away while offering essential lighting and power. The TRINITY Magnetic Quick Release Knife is the pinnacle of innovative cutting tools, designed to elevate practicality and style. Crafted from titanium, its sleek design integrates a double magnetic ring system for secure blade storage. Replaceable stainless steel SK5 blades provide versatility, ensuring longevity and performance. The ergonomic handle with precision cutouts offers maximum comfort and grip, making it ideal for extended use. Waterproof and corrosion-resistant, it is built to withstand the toughest environments. Whether for outdoor adventures or daily tasks, the TRINITY knife delivers unparalleled convenience and cutting efficiency, redefining what a modern cutting tool can achieve. The ACEGMET digital laser tape measure is the ultimate tool for precision and versatility in any project. Combining a 16-foot traditional tape measure with a 131-foot-high precision laser, it ensures accuracy in every task. Its auto-calibration system eliminates minor errors, while modes for distance, area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations simplify complex measurements. The durable, rust-resistant nylon-coated blade and true zero-end hook provide reliability. Storing up to 30 measurements, it is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Backed by an 18-month worry-free warranty and lifetime technical support, it is designed to revolutionize the way you measure. The WOWSTICK Mini Pen Drill is a sleek, cordless solution for detailed DIY projects. Designed with a safety-focused pen cap structure, it protects users by concealing cutter heads. Featuring a powerful motor operating at 420 rotations per minute with 10% precision, it excels in micro-drilling tasks for woodworking, jewelry making, and crafting. Its rechargeable lithium battery and Type-C charging port ensure convenience and portability. The all-metal gearbox enhances durability, and the kit includes 8 hardened steel drill bits for precision work. Lightweight and versatile, this tool is a must-have for those seeking accuracy and efficiency. The KLEIN Tool's MODBOX cooler offers unbeatable functionality and convenience for outdoor adventures or job sites. It holds up to 24 beverage cans, keeping them cold for up to 30 hours, ensuring refreshment throughout the day. Built tough, it doubles as a sturdy seat capable of supporting up to 136 kilograms, adding versatility to its design. The integrated storage compartment in the lid allows you to keep essential items secure and organized. With its durable construction and compatibility with KLEIN's MODBOX system, this cooler is perfect for professionals or outdoor enthusiasts seeking quality and reliability. Priced at approximately $80, it's a practical investment for comfort and refreshment. Wrapping up our list is the ABEDEN cordless reciprocating saw kit, designed for optimal power and efficiency to provide a cutting experience that stands out with impressive performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, it offers a 1-inch stroke length and up to 3,200 strokes per minute for tackling wood, metal, and more. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, it is lightweight and portable, while the safety lock switch enhances user security. Features like tool-free blade changes and a rotatable body improve precision and convenience. The kit includes wood and metal blades, a 2.0 lithium-ion battery, charger, and a carrying bag. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it offers reliable cutting for any project.
That's a wrap on these insane Amazon gadgets. If you're as amazed as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing tool finds. Drop a comment with your favorite gadget below, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing tools.